Welcome back to my channel. Technology in the future tech community is buzzing once again. And this time, the spotlight is on a major reveal hidden inside the latest iOS 26 beta. Buried deep within the system code and image files are clues to what appears to be Apple's next big wearable, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. These hidden references, discovered by developers exploring the beta, show a watch design that doesn't match any of Apple's current or past models. This has sparked strong speculation that the Ultra 3 is getting closer to its official debut, and the leaks suggest it could redefine what we expect from a premium smartwatch in 2025. One of the biggest takeaways from the leak is an upgraded display resolution. The new model is rumored to feature a 422 by 514 pixel screen, up from the Ultra 2's 410 by 512 pixels. While the difference might seem minor on paper, even a small boost can make a noticeable impact. Sharper text, clearer images, and more space for complex widgets, interactive maps, and detailed fitness tracking data. For those who push their devices to the limit, from extreme sports athletes to deep-sea divers, having a display that remains clear in challenging conditions is a game changer. But display quality might only be the beginning. Industry sources have hinted at satellite communication support for the Ultra 3, meaning it could send messages or location details without any cellular network or Wi-Fi connection. This feature would be a lifeline for hikers in remote mountains, sailors far from shore, or explorers navigating isolated terrain. Paired with the possibility of 5G connectivity, the watch could become one of the most connected wearables ever built, enabling faster Siri responses, instant data syncing, and high-quality map updates directly from the watch itself. On the health and fitness front, Apple appears to be taking another big leap. Reports suggest the Ultra 3 could introduce next-generation health sensors, capable of hydration tracking, blood pressure monitoring, and more precise VO2max readings. If true, these upgrades would strengthen the Ultra 3's position as both an adventure tool and a serious health device, giving athletes, trainers, and even medical professionals a powerful resource on the wrist. As for timing, Apple traditionally unveils new watch models alongside its latest iPhones in September. If the company follows its usual pattern, we can expect the Apple Watch Ultra 3, the Apple Watch Series 11, and the iPhone 17 lineup to appear together. Based on past schedules, September 9, 2025 is a strong candidate for the event, just ahead of the holiday season, when demand for new Apple products peaks. Of course, the Ultra 3 won't be launching without competition. High-end wearables like the Garmin Epix Pro and Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra are already battling for the premium market, boasting large, bright displays, rugged build quality, and impressive battery life. However, Apple's edge lies in its seamless integration with the iOS ecosystem, its polished software experience, and unmatched app variety. If these rumored improvements come to life, the Ultra 3 could strengthen Apple's lead for another generation. For those considering an upgrade but unwilling to wait, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 remains a top-tier choice, especially with recent price drops bringing it down to $650 from its original $799. Even now, it offers an exceptionally bright Retina display, 100-meter water resistance, dual-frequency GPS, and the best battery life of any Apple Watch so far, with low-power mode extending its runtime even more. The iOS 26 beta leaks signal something clear. Apple is not slowing down with the Ultra series. The mix of a sharper display, cutting-edge connectivity, advanced health features, and rugged durability could make the Apple Watch Ultra 3 one of the most sought-after devices of the year. Whether you're a competitive athlete, an outdoor adventurer, or simply someone who wants the most advanced smartwatch available, this model looks set to impress. So here's the big question. Will these rumored upgrades be enough to convince you to make the jump, or will you hold out for whatever Apple has planned beyond 2025? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and make sure you subscribe to Technology in the Future so you don't miss any updates as we approach Apple's big September reveal.